Welcome back. So, the Bowden tube, or tube, has to have a square end, which means the face of the end of the tube has to be perpendicular to the length of the tube. It's not the case, it's never the case, apparently, when Tevo shipped it. Yeah. So think about doing it on both sides. And secondly, you have to make sure it goes all the way down and through most of the heat break, or all the heat break, and damn it, that doesn't work, so that it can guide the filament in the best way possible. Okay, so I just got lucky with the first one, and now doesn't want to work. Yeah, okay. That's it. So we'll just put a mark on it if I can find my pen.
Where the fuck did I put that thing?
No idea, so we're going to go with plan B. So let's assume I know what I'm doing. The heat break goes up to there, nearly, so that means I have to feed that much Bowden tube into yes, and how much was that? That's way too little. Ah, there you go. Good. And here you can't see me. Now you can. I don't really know. Well, it's not going through. I'll check that. I was hoping it would go through the anodized aluminum thing. That's the wrench. And up to the extruder, down to the extruder. Or the pulley, to speak with a bit more precision. So, where does it go? Does it go through? Well, it certainly could. flashlight, and well, I can't see squat. So once again, I can't tell you what to do. That's a bad design. The thing that's hitting on the bracket not well thought, Tevo. Okay, so I'm going to turn that mess towards you a bit. What can you see? Well, it's not too bad. There we go, and put the screen there and plug the machine. Okay, so we've got a screen, we've got temperatures, 24 degrees, that seems slightly off by like 1 degree. We've got a working fan, we've got another working fan, which reminds me, the one that you have to put on the cover. It's obviously not turning now because, yeah, well, you guessed it. You also have to power that one from the 12 volt. So they call it MIGBot 3D printer. I've no idea why. Control motion. We should be able to. Well, that's not what I want to do. We should be able to move the screen. Move the axis. Main restore. Oh, control. No. Motion, the offset axle, blah 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 blah. Not what I mean. Temperature. Auto temp off. Blah blah blah. So nozzle. No, obviously. So let's try to heat it to 60 degrees and see what happens. The power supply did notice an increase in the output current and turned up, I guess. So nozzle was set to 66 and it's at 79. It's hot. It is hot. But obviously it overshoots. Prepare home all access. That seems like a dangerous thing to do. Move axis. Good. Move 10 millimeters. Move X. That's working. Move Y. No. Okay. Good. Why can't I move the Z-axis? Disable steppers, so that should allow me to move that one here. Set switch on off, move axis. Okay, so we're gonna try that one, and I'm ready to hit the end stop of the Z-axis in case it goes too low. Shit, what happened? Prepared. What a terrible noise. I really hope the grease is going to make it bearable. So is it stupid and going to hit? Yeah. So I have to set the offset and whatever in the firmware. So we are at minus 41 here because I guess I started the printer in some position, and then when I asked it to home the axis, it homed it at minus 41 in regard to the position it was in. Let me just play a bit with the y-axis. Okay, prepare PLA, preheat PLA bed. So we're going to hit the bed, but we want to hit the nozzle as well, so that must be this one. 180 degrees, that seems like not enough. So prepare, not prepare, main, control, temperature, nozzle, let's say we need, 222. Oh, it's starting to smell like Chinese electronics. Oh yeah. Filament in a vacuum bag with silica gel. Very nice. Some people say it's really shitty, some people say it's pretty decent. So I don't know. I've read that it's too brittle sometimes. I don't know what amount of brittleness would be normal. Oh, it's not. Guess I'll do a click. I removed the first few centimeters because there was a kink. Oh, there were some kinks. And I didn't want that to fuck up with the Bowden tube or the nozzle. So how do we load filament on that thing? Is it control, restore, motion, temperature? No. Access. No. A retract. No. E steps. No. Control. Motion. I just did that, didn't I? Yeah. Cannot be the temp. PID, PVP, whatever. Not that. So it's not control. Motion might be prepare. I thought that with a hot nozzle I would be able to move the stepper motor. But that might not be the case. By the way, I was right, I guess, to set the printer so that the end stop would make the nozzle stop high with regard to the bed before I calibrate it, because during that test the nozzle is at over 200 degrees and completely still. So you wouldn't want that against your bed. Can I fit it manually then, just to see some filament? Prepare, disable all steppers, so we should have that one like so. We're going through there, up, You might want to have your Bowden tube to go down a bit further than because that's really painful to me to put it in. That's what she said. I cannot put it in. Sorry, I cannot find a hole. Let's try. Oh, we see something. So, filament is going through the Bowden tube and down, down, down. I see some resistance and I see some filament being extruded. Damn it. I've lost it. Okay, so if you forget I dropped the first one, here we go. First print with a Tevo Tarantula. Well worth the money. See you tomorrow for an actual print. Bye bye.